What is going on, guys? Tempo Trades. We are ending the week on an absolute heater, man. We went 4 for 4 today on callouts. And yeah, the most important call out of the day was this 30-second short. Let's line it right up here. Boom, 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 and boom. Yeah, this was an amazing trade. We're seeing a ton of volatility this week, obviously, with earnings season continuing. We had Amazon earnings report yesterday, and it was the same exact thing as it's been, you know, kind of 400, 300 point range. Very, very big candles. Got to be cautious. But the good thing about volatility is if you can catch the right side of a move, you can make a ton of money. So why do we take this trade? We had a nice and easy 1 hour liquidity sweep right there. Super textbook. And this one had 7 confluences. So if you just want to go over it real quick. Number 1, major liquidity sweep right here. This is a hourly buy side level. So there is your hourly liquidity sweep. Number 2, we are in premium of the range. So we're at the top of the range because you could see that So you could see that the 50% level is all the way down here. So when you're at the top of the range, you want to be shorting back down to equilibrium. So that's good. Then you have good momentum. This is definitely good momentum because let me just show you. Good momentum through the gap. You could see we don't really stall. We don't really consolidate in this area. As soon as we dip into that gap, we flush right through it with a really good volume and momentum, showing us that, you know, there is a lot of strength in the selling pressure. We're inside the New York AM kill zone. As you could see, this was taken at 9:53. We have a strong reaction to the liquidity sweep. This one is kind of like a debate. I would say it's a good reaction. It's not a great reaction, but it's a good reaction. So we sweep this level, and within 4 or 5 candles, we immediately start, not immediately, but within 4 or 5 candles, we start that reversal pattern. It's not like we chopped around here for 10 minutes or did something like that, or, you know, maybe even pumped past the level by a ton of points. So I would still say it's a pretty decent reaction. I'm happy with it. You know, it looks even better on the 1 minute. I mean, look how nice it looks on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, it's just a 3 candle sequence, right? You have the candle that sweeps, then you have the doji candle showing a little sign of hesitation, and then you have the immediate red bearish candle. So it is really, really nice in terms of the pattern there. So that is good momentum. Then you have strong reaction. I don't believe there was an SMT divergence. Delivering from high time frame gap. If we go on at the time, the replay tool is so glitchy, but at the time we were delivering off of this 4 hour fair value gap. So yeah, the replay tool is so glitchy. And then last but not least, clear TPs. The clear TP right here would have been these wicks right here, almost relative equal lows, but because these wicks are so big and exaggerated, they become really, really nice draw on liquidity. So yeah, overall, this was an amazing trade. I clearly said I was taking this on the live stream. Hopefully you caught this with us. I guess the only negative is like you had to chase a little bit because the ideal entry would have been 943 and then it closed at 932. But then, I mean, the next candle even wicked up back into the 940 area if you wanted to get in. So very, very, very nice trade. And that is going to be the week. I took a couple more eval setups, like this eval setup I took on stream while I was in the other trade. I decided to take this 1 minute IFEG short right here, just as like a continuation. We passed some evals on that, but very, very nice way to end the week. Very, very nice. I said this, I feel like I said this last week. Fridays have been the most consistent and best day for day trading, in my opinion. In recent memory. So Fridays have been amazing. Hopefully you took this as well, and I hope you have a great weekend. If you have any questions, you can feel free to hit me up.